This 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3740BHR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a stone interior, sleeps 10, skylight, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, refrigerator, LP detector, awning, water heater, oven, leveling jacks, slideout, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3740BHR is 13,884 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.